Hello guys, review Xiaomi 14T. This version 11GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Open box, look complectation. In complectation we have protected back cover, Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. Device in the green color, triple camera on the back side, on the front side display 6.7 inch, on this side power button and volume buttons, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM card. Okay, turn on device. We have display Full HD AMOLED, Full HD Plus, 144 Hz, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Open settings. About phone we have Xiaomi Hyper OS 1.0.6.0. This is global version, Android 14. And open Geekbench 6. CPU we have MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra and Mali G615 MC6. This GPU. 3 clusters, first cluster 4 cores, 3 cores, 1 cores. Okay, results and GPU test results. Okay, close this, open AnTuTu benchmark, AnTuTu benchmark score, super, and PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level. Very high graphic level, perfect. Okay, and now open camera. I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.